Okay, today I'm doing Garten and Banban and what their voices will sound like in my animations. There's a right for somebody, for everybody. You just need to look. Hey, it's okay to have no friends and be miserable like me. Ooga booga booga ooga. Okay, that's what I think Captain Fiddles will sound like. Okay, I'm going to do Banban and his devil form. So this is what he'll sound like. Sharing is caring, your pancreas is mine. Now for the evil Banban. Sharing is caring, your pancreas is mine. Okay, that's my best hellish voice. Now for Nabnaleena. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Now for her jump scare. Kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Okay, I think that's what she'll sound like when she has those bloodshot eyes in my animations. Now for Garten Banban 2 characters again. Yes, I did NabNab. Now Sheriff Toadster. Does he say something? Treat others how you would like to be treated, with respect. That's what I think Sheriff Toadster would sound like. Okay. Now Tortabird. Protect your loved ones. They love you back the same. That's what I think Tortabird would sound like. Now Opila Bird. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Yeah, she has the little voice crack. Now in the second with scratches on her, scars on her eye. Laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Now okay. They don't even say anything, so I'm just going to see what they sound like. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, they did their alphabet. Now for Queen Bouncelina. Jump as much as you'd like, but never to conclusions. Now for the naughty ones. Finish your homework and be nice if you don't want to join us. That's what the naughty ones say. Okay, I'm going to do one more Garten Banban character now. Let's go with Zolflus. He has the most scariest voice out of everyone. And in my opinion, he has the most scariest deception form. Wait, what is happening? Okay, let's go back. I know what he says. Going back to garten banban free. Zolflus. I think that's what his name is. Oh my god, that freaked me out. Oh my god, I never want to see something like that again. Okay. I'm gonna copy his Spanish and English. Placenta. Now for his English line. I am sorry. Just stop it one more time because it freaks me out. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Wait, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do Stinger Flynn. Okay, this is what he says. Oh, no, what the? Garten banban free. Stinger Flynn. Having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. Okay, bye-bye, guys. That's what they'll sound like. I'm going to do a part 2. Hee hee hee.